thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself on my therapy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing.
잘 먹겠습니다.
맛있게 먹겠습니다.
맛있겠다. 와. 맛있다.
괜찮아?
맛있다.
근데 편한 거 같아.
떡볶이 언제 먹어도 맛있어.
내 소울푸드야.